Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at SoFi, all-in-one banking solution, Invest. Why am I here today? Now, I know I've done reviews of this in the past, but today I got to notice market is down hard today on this banking thing. Woo! Anyway, into my active investing account we go. You can see, even with the negative stuff going on in the market, I've been putting more money in dollar cost averaging, obviously, right? So I don't lose too much. But I know we're still on the way down. We're not on the way back up yet. But I invest all the time. You can see the buying power I have is $51.91. And I just got to notice that none other than HRL stock is at a 52-week low. Now, that was a little bit earlier in the day, obviously. See, we're 39.44. Now we're at 39.22. Before we were down way near 38 something. But obviously it rebounded off that real quick. And we're back up to 39.22. So, you can see my value in this company here is $19.72. Average cost $39.79. I have half a share and an unrealized gain of minus 28 cents. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Why am I even bothering? Why even bother? Is it worth it? Well, in the long run, it's worth it. Okay? So if I invest, say, $5 a day, that will equivocate to about $100 a month. So that's pretty good, right? That's a decent investment. And $100 a month over the next 40 years, man, that's a big chunk of money. Go back and watch my other videos. You can see how getting rich slow is a strategy I implement on my channel and in life. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to say buy. Buy it now, even if we're not at the 52-week low. Now, I'm not going to buy a whole share. I'm going to buy dollars. So the minimum for stock bits, stock bytes, whatever you want to call it, is $5. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I missed the low. If I would have hit it at the low, I may have put 10. But 5 is enough. Okay? Obviously, I'm not doing this every single day. But when the stock hits a new low, or I feel it's time to do that, or I have enough buying power, that's when I hit the button. Now you can see I have a few other things in here. Most of them are dividend investing in this portfolio. All right, SFY is a very low yield, like 1.5%. The weekly shares, also a very low yield. All right, QYLG is a covered call ETF, a little bit higher yield. It's like 6 or 7%. And QYLD is associated with QYLG, and it has a much higher yield of like 12%, I believe. All right, that's why I started getting into this one. Yeah, 12.67%. So that's pretty good. If you find a company that yields that, you are golden. Now you can see my return is negative 34 cents. Not a big deal, okay, overall. You can see some of my negatives here. Oh, look, so like this SoFi is like negative $67. That's bad because the market is way down. I've been investing in that one forever. Along with the weekly shares, I've been investing for that one for a long time. But you can see through the peaks and valleys, yeah, we're down. So, all right, here's the yield, 3.37. Not great, but I mean, not terrible in the way of stocks, right? So if we go down and we look at the Hormel shares, which it looks like it registered. I have 0.6 share of that now. And 2.68%. Not terrible, okay? But if you have $1 million, would you rather be making 10 or 12% or 2.68%? Yeah, exactly. That's my point. So I've been skewing towards like these ETFs, right? Covered call ETF, which has a pretty good strategy. I like it a lot. I implement this covered call strategy a little bit myself. So if I own a bunch of stock, like say in Coke or Boeing, I go in and I sell covered calls. If they get called out, big deal. Next month I sell cash covered put and increase my yield and cash flow on that stock that's just sitting there. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. This is how to do the stock bits and to do dollar cost averaging in the active investing account here at SoFi. You can see my total gains are negative $94, so that's pretty bad. Overall, my account has been growing pretty good. You can see there's a couple periods of time where the market has gone kind of sideways. I started off with this account pretty slow, way back here in 2020, right? You can see I had $170, and then I added maybe, I don't know, 20 or $30 or whatever. I added, and I started going slow, and then the market went down maybe a little right there. And then I just started building incrementally, a little bit. And then I added faster. And then we had this period of time that the market didn't do anything from here to here. Just went kind of sideways. And then we went up and went sideways again. And now we are off to the races, kind of. Because I'm adding a lot more into this account now. I'm adding like $100 a month. You can see where that happened. Right about here, at least $100 a month I've been adding. And bam, it's been going up faster. So that's the key. All right. In order to get a good return, you need to be consistent. You don't need to be adding a lot of money, but you need to be consistent with it every month. So that's why I recommend SoFi. You can set it up automatically to deduct every month. And you can see down here, my monthly deposit right there, bam, bam, bam. It's pretty much automatic on April 1st and April 15th, $50. Bam, done. So, if you guys want to join me on this wealth building journey and my dividend investing journey, obviously, I want to get to what's called a FIRE. Though I'm a little past this already. I'd like to be making decent dividend income that I can live on once I retire in about 10 years. So if you start this strategy while you're 20, you'd be a lot better off than when you're starting it like me. I'm a little older. So be sure you guys subscribe and join the channel for my real-time stock trades. I don't always post the fractional stock trades or like the onesie twosie type things. Like if I go in here and I buy 1 share of QYLD, I'm not going to probably post that on my channel, all right? But you can see here, these ones I really didn't post. It'll be the big stock trades that I do on my main trading accounts, not these little ones. If you guys want to do that, you can email me or message me, and we can set something up. Special deal I have for certain people. So, anyway, be sure to join and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.